Deepak from TechFX Research and Innovation Services. Today I'm here to present you one of the topic that is the trending topic in the energy efficient protocols. As energy efficient protocols are very much useful these days because this concept is being used with the IoT. What is exactly the IoT? IoT is basically the collecting the data from some devices, those are named as sensors, then sending it to the server. So that's why the popularity of the wireless sensor network with the clustering protocols is very much popular these days. So in the same domain, we have implemented the base paper. We have taken one of the base paper. You can contact us for those things also. So upgraded that version by introducing new concepts, new cluster head selection approach with the advanced routing between the nodes and the cluster heads and the sink, and demonstrating that our system is providing better results. So I'm showing you the base paper model where we have implemented the system by taking the three inputs, because the base paper have taken these values, and the membership functions are also being taken from the same base paper. You can see, so the three parameters are over there having the 5 member function each, and total 125 rules are being defined for the clustered selection to give the chance at calculating the value of the chance uh, between a particular range. So on the behalf of that, the network is being designed and selecting the cluster heads. If I'm going to run this particular code for the model, then it will take too much time because the processing will be slow. So as you can see, here we have implemented the area node sync location energy model, and the evaluation is done by using the fuzzy. At the end we have calculated the factors as the dead node, alive nodes, and many of the other things. I'm showing you the direct results for the comparison that we have done. I think this is the code. We have also implemented it with the leech. The comparison I'm going to show when I'm going to run this code, it will show you the results that we have saved from the proposed model and the traditional models. So also with the leech, so it was giving the comparison of the leech mobility and the proposed model. You can see one of the factor is number of received packets. So the number of received packet in the proposed model are more, so that's why it is proven that our system is much better. Even the lifetime first node dead, that is also very late with respect to the previous algorithm. The percentage of the mobility node, the mobility concept is also introduced in this. So on the behalf of that, we have implemented this model and used for the research purpose. So I hope you people like this video, and for more ideas you can contact us directly. Thanks for watching the video.